So we're just on our way to Blackpool, but before we do, we're on a bit of a mission of mercy. One of our friends, Cosy 2 living off grid, has got a flat battery. They're stuck and they're actually over in Lytham, St Anne's. So we've got the grid reference off him and we're going to go and give him a jump start. Can't leave people in peril these days. So we're on our way, Cosy. We're not about five minutes away. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we can get you back on the move. We'll see you in a bit. So would you believe it, we get here and the threat of Cosy having jump leads attached to her, I think it's frightened her, and she's actually started for them. They've been sat here waiting all morning to get going and then she starts on her own. So well done, Cosy.
Looks like they've found a decent park up there.
Yeah, this is Fair Lawn Road and they've been parked here for free for 4 days. Not many places you get to park for free. And there she goes, Cosy 2. Good luck on your new adventure. So as you can see, we're at Blackpool this weekend. We've picked a rotten weekend to come, but we're here now, so...
Yeah, weather said it's not going to rain, but it is doing, isn't it, on the front here? It's windy and freezing cold, isn't it?
Well, that's what you get for Blackpool, but yeah, we're here and we're going to show you around the site.
And behind us is a big glitter ball, looks like they've fully restored it, so that'll be on later on, won't it?
Yeah, looks like Strictly Come Dancing to me, but there you go. So we'll go and show you around and show you some sights of not so sunny Blackpool. I'm not cold, not today. So we're at South Pier now in Blackpool. Oh, big tram about to go past. Not like the trams I used to remember. A bit modern, aren't they?
Quiet, aren't they, them?
Yeah, you can't hear them.
Some donuts. Donuts over there.
Oh, we've gone past them now. You have to have a look next time.
Fish and chips.
It's Mark's heaven here. So we're going to make our way down to the tower now. I think you can see it in the background just.
Yeah. About a mile away, isn't it?
Yeah, well this is the Golden Mile apparently. Nothing golden about it today. I'm going to try and get down there before it starts wazzing it down by the looks of it. It's going to start raining. Sea's a bit rough today. As you can see, not many people on the beach.
No one sunbathing, is there? Not why not?
Oh, I wonder why no one's sunbathing. No bikini shots today. Central Pier now. We've made it central. Still not raining yet. And we have got the arcades behind us. And we've got Central Pier just behind us here. Some kind of show going on behind me there. I don't know what it is. We'll have a look in a minute. Are you cold, Mark?
Not very warm, is it?
How about some cheering? Let me hear you.
So here's Central Pier, another place of interest to Blackpool.
To line. 2 takes a win.
Lots of Mark's has spotted some hot dogs. They're only £2. You can't refuse a bargain, especially when it comes to food. Full tummy, happy man. It's a big one. So Mark's eating his £2 hot dog. You enjoying it?
Yeah, it's alright.
Not that. I didn't quite like it. So that's Coral Island behind us there. That's another top place to fetch your kiddies. It's full of amusements, rides, all sorts. It's really smart and it's all themed on pirates, isn't it? Penny pushers, rides, jackpots, bingo, the lot. And we've made it, Blackpool Tower.
In all its glory.
It's all lit up at the minute, but you can't quite see it because it's not quite dark enough yet. But we will try and get back on here when it's fully dark. And then you can see it.
Just starting to go dark, isn't it now? Very
Yeah.
slightly. You won't tell on camera, but it is about another. Well, what time is it now? Let's have a look. Yeah, about an hour. I said. I reckon 6:30 will put lights on.
6:30.
About there.
I reckon about 7:30.
No, but put the lights on as soon as it goes dusk.
Well,
It was smaller than that, wasn't it?
we'll see who wins this one then.
Yeah.
6:30 or 7:30. Comedy carpet. You can find this outside of the tower. It comes with a load of fantastic sayings. Let's see if we can find one. Yum, yum. Hot chocolate and marshmallows. Mac and cheese, tomato soup, halloumi fries, Mark.
Awfully sorry,
Mac and cheese.
I fancy some of that.
You like mac and cheese? Do you? Oh yeah, macaroni cheese. What are you doing? £3.50.
Hello, me fries. Homemade.
For that farmers?
Paper or a pen, I'm sorry. For a receipt, I haven't got a piece of paper or a pen. I can only give till receipts because it goes through on the card machine. Yeah, but I haven't. If you've got a pen, I've got a pen.
Alright. Hi, what can I get? Can I get macaroni cheese, please? One mac and cheese?
Agency doing it for Firework now.
One mac and cheese.
Won't be 1 second, but
No worries.
Just gonna wait for fries.
Oh right, sorry.
Do you want a hot chocolate? Oh, can I have hot chocolate?
Let's try one piece of pasta.
Got that paper.
Behind us are just setting up the fireworks for the Firework Championships grand finale. It's the last one tonight, I think.
Yeah, it's the final of the final, isn't
It's the final of the final.
Yeah.
So it's going to take some setting up, I think. You've got the lifeguards down there, ready, in case any of the fireworks are
Just gone
drowning.
6 o'clock and the lights came on at 6 o'clock, so we were both wrong, weren't we?
Yeah,
So,
you said half 6,
yeah,
I
it's not
said
even dark,
7:30.
yeah.
But yeah, we'll show you the illuminations in a bit. It looks really pretty. They've actually looked a lot better than they have done in years of past, really. It's they've modernised it a bit this year. So yeah, we'll wait for the fireworks to come on and we'll show you the illuminations when it gets just a tad bit more darker.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act, it's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Yeah, yeah. We are two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod. That we are two peas in a pod.
So the illuminations are on, all switched on and glowing away, and they're on behind us as well.
It's turning cold as well,
around.
isn't it?
There you go. So we're just down at North Pier now,
More or less North Pier, yeah.
and the rain's stopped off.
Yeah, it's fine, it's just cold, isn't it? That's
Yeah, it's really, well, I'd say it's cold. What are you doing? I thought you were sniffing me. Weird.
For
There's-
anyone who slates Blackpool, they put a hell of a good show on, don't they? Look at all the people. See, there's thousands of people here. It's going to get busier, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So just remember, anyone who sort of disses Blackpool, look at your own town. What's your own town doing at this time of year? Not a lot. Probably shut up and closed. Nothing to look at. So just remember that.
A lot of people, when we say Blackpool to them, they say, oh, it's scummy, it's horrible. Everyone seems to come here at weekends, that's all I can say.
Yeah, they put a good show on, don't they? So
Yeah, it's
sort
really
to look
good.
at. There's something for everybody.
So we've made it to the North Pier. So that's North, Central and South covered. Got to make it all the way back, yeah. But it's still waiting for fireworks to come on. And as soon as they come on, we'll film it for you as much as we can. It's supposed to be a spectacular show tonight. Titanium show or something, it says. You're actually charging on to get on the pier tonight, £2 per person.
Yeah, charging £2 per person on the North Pier, aren't
Yeah.
they? So.
But you've got to make your money somehow, aren't you? £2 not bad for a good view, I suppose. But we're just going to watch it from the roadside.
Yeah.
So I'll catch up with you in a bit. long have you been in this traffic?
Only about 5
5 minutes.
minutes.
We just
All
go
right.
down the back street where we're parked.
We've given up. It's too cold. I'm going back. I'm freezing. No, I can't even feel my nose.
We just said to you, it's just gone 7:30. Let's see how long it takes.
Yeah.
Half past 8, 9 o'clock for your fireworks. You might get there just on time.
We're not bothered if we don't, we're off. We're on our way out.
It's spotting you coming up on the scooter. He says they're stuck in the traffic there. I said, well, go and get them. Enjoy.
You still parked at the top?
Yeah, we're still parked right up there, so gonna go and get a hot chocolate. So I'm freezing.
It's good on the camera, so we'll see how it turns out.
Yeah.
See you later, guys. So we've given up on the fireworks. It's just got really, really busy down there.
Yeah.
Silly busy. It's just people bumping into you, and the way the world is at the minute, we don't think it's right safe to be standing there just watching a few fireworks.
Yeah, the trams are all them were full, weren't there? There's going to be a lot of people taking up one way, dropped off up near the central pier, and that a long way to walk back, haven't they?
Yeah, so we've come all the way back up to the car, trying to get warm now. What you've seen of Blackpool, it is a lovely place, and they've put a really good show on this year. Lots of new illuminations. So yeah, come and have a visit. You'll really enjoy it.
Our advice would be for you to come in a week if you live local, and it's like a day trip. For the illuminations, it's come during the week. It'll be quieter.
Yeah,
another couple
Saturdays
of
and Sundays. I know the school holidays are about to start. It depends when we put this vlog on. It's now Saturday, so the school holidays are starting. It is manic. Come during the week, it's a lot quieter. We've just bumped into Claire and Andy from our town Van Laugh. They're still at the top of the illumination, so whether they make it through, I hope you're alright, guys, and you did get through. But they weren't moving very fast. So yeah, we'll leave it there, and we'll see you on the next one.